How to fix phone charging slowly overnight. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix phone charging slowly overnight. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right in. So to fix phone charging overnight, for the slow charging, you will need to troubleshoot. So some of the quick fixes and basic checks are check and replace the cable. You can replace the cable and try if the charging is faster. Make sure that you use high quality manufacturer certified cables for that. Also use the correct adapter and sometimes clean out your charging port as well. After that, what you can do is go to your settings. On your settings, you'll find the battery option. Head over there. On a battery, you'll find multiple options. You can go to battery health, and there you will see smart charging. Now, this smart charging mode, when enabled, charges your phone overnight really slowly to preserve long-term battery health. So sometimes when you're charging your phone, you leave it gets fully charged, and then it stays that way till you wake up. So to avoid that, and that harms your battery, so to avoid that, this mode is turned on. So that is the reason why your phone charges slowly overnight. So you can turn this off. And after you've turned it off, you're good to go. Now your phone won't charge slowly overnight. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.